Go live right here. Hey guys, it's me, Desi, professional investor, and today I'm going to be talking with you guys about something that's a little different than what I've been talking about. I'm going to be basically sharing, can I call it this? Can I call it life lessons of an old man? How about that? I'm 69 years old, and I've been around a lot, been through a lot, right, in life, and that's just how life goes. And hopefully, if you're paying attention, you learn some life lessons that you can share with people. You know, I had someone recently say to me, "Hey, Desi, dude, you look pretty good for almost 70 years old." And I said, "Well, I thank you very much for that. I do appreciate your kind words. I appreciate the compliment." One of the things that I learned is that, you know, as you get older, you need to actually push back a little bit harder against life, because life keeps pushing in and trying to wear you down and trying to make you tired and trying to just take away your spunk, right? Your energy. And so, for me, pushing back, you know, involved doing some things like, I started in 2017, I started doing, sit-ups, right? Just to kind of keep myself in shape a little bit, right? So now now in most years I do about 10,000, 12,000 sit-ups a year. And then push-ups, I do 6,000 to 8,000 push-ups a year. And I know that sounds like a lot when you use those numbers, but when you actually break it down to a daily amount, we're only talking about 30 or so sit-ups a day, which takes me all of about 3 minutes. And then about 20 push-ups a day, which takes me all of about like a minute. And so, you know, if you consider that, let's just say for 5 minutes a day, I can actually push back against old age in my way. You know, I had someone ask me the other day, why do I keep doing that? And I said, you know what, today, my mindset is I do that because I can. I mean, when I think about people, just in general, there are a lot of people who cannot do a sit-up. Either they're physically unable, maybe they are, you know, just not capable because maybe they're stuck in a bed or laying on their back, and they would love to trade places with me to be able to do 3 minutes worth of sit-ups, right? They would love it, and they can't. And so the fact that I can is what makes me just do it, even when I don't feel like it. And by the way, when I wake up in the morning and I do my exercises, I never feel like it. And I just say, you know what? Because you can, you should. And when I look at the downside of exercising a little bit in the morning, and I think about that, you know, as a 69-year-old man, I don't see a downside for me to do some sit-ups and to do some push-ups. And for me, I look at it as it's all good, right? So why wouldn't I just do that? It requires a little discipline, but why not push back against this old age thing and this aging thing, right? We all sit around watching TV, and next thing you know, we become couch potatoes, and we can't even do a sit-up. And so I just didn't want to be that guy. So that's one of the life lessons that I learned, and that is, you know, just kind of push back, push back, push back. Don't just submit. Another life lesson that I learned is that what you think you know as absolute changes, right? I mean, think about this. When you were 12 years old, you had all these absolutes, right? This is how it is. And then when you become 25 years old, let's say, right, you go, well, at 12, I thought that's how it was, but I didn't know what the heck I was doing at 12, right? You get that now because you're 25. And I'm here to tell you, I don't know how old you are right now as you're watching this, but I'm here to tell you it happens at every stage along the way. At 40, you look and think, man, all those things that were absolute when I was 25 are not so absolute today. You know, things, it's just not the reality. And then when you're 40, you have these things in your mind that you say, okay, I'm an adult now. I mean, I'm 40 years old. I get it. And then you become 55 and you look back and you say, man, at 40, I thought I had it dialed in. And you come to realize that, maybe I didn't have it so dialed in at 40, right? And let me just tell you guys, even at 69, I can tell you, looking back at 55, And of course, you are wiser, hopefully, at 55 than you were at 40, and at 40 than you are at 25, right? And hopefully that wisdom continues to grow. But just understand that it's always going someplace. Everything in life is going someplace, right? It's all moving. It's all energy. It's all happening. And so that's just, what I wanted to share with you guys today. Because it's so easy to get complacent, and things are moving and everything is going someplace. And if that's the case, you need to make sure that you're always doing something yourself to keep your mind sharp, to keep growing. You need to be a little smarter this year than you were last year. You need to have a little more in skills this year than you did last year. So, don't feel a lot of pressure to like cram, but if you're consistently learning something new, sharing your thoughts, sharing your ideas, talking to people, being honest and open for input as well as giving out, you're going to find that a lot of good things can happen for you. You'll grow as a person, as an individual, and it'll make you a better person, a better spouse, a better parent, a better boss if you are a boss, a better worker, employee if you're an employee. It'll just make you a better person because you understand that you don't have all the answers and that there's a lot going on all the time, even though some of it's happening almost invisible. It's still happening. So anyway, those are the words of wisdom that I just wanted to share with you guys. Those are just some thoughts that I have as an old man. I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys find this helpful in some way, that's it. I'm not trying to sit here and say I have all the answers. That would be kind of presumptuous of me to say I got all the answers, because I don't. Nobody does. But there are some little lessons that are in that message that will help you. All right, God bless you. I'll see you guys. Oh, let me just mention this. You may want to head on over to our investor website. We have an investor portal where all of our investors and entrepreneurs, we all get together. It's the American Wealth Builders Network. You can go to AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com, and right there, you guys, you can join our network and become a part of our group. We're all going up together, right? We're all working together. We're all going up together. You want to join that group. It's free to join. And we would love to have you there. We want your energy. We want your knowledge. We want your experience. We want the lessons that you can share with all of us. So head on over there. And if you want to learn how to invest like I do, how to invest in investments that will pay you a passive income for the rest of your life, you can head over to investbrilliantly.com. And you can learn that stuff there. You can join my coaching group, and we can literally just work together to get you from wherever you are today to wherever you want to be. Okay? So I just want to invite you guys to do that too, if you're interested. Not everybody is, and that's okay. But if you are interested, then, there's a path. That's all I'm trying to say. If you are interested, there's a path. If you're interested in financial freedom, there is a path. And you can walk that path. And we'll walk it with you, and we'll show you how to do this. All right, so now, that's it, guys. God bless you all. I'll see you all on my next live.